Hello friends, today I am starting with the very important subject of mechanical engineering, that is refrigeration. In this particular course, I'll be dealing with the important terms of refrigeration, that is coefficient of performance, refrigeration effect, what is the unit of refrigeration, what is the ton of refrigeration. After the important terms of refrigeration, I'll be telling you the vapor compression cycle. Vapor compression cycle is the most important cycle of refrigeration. I'll be telling you the vapor compression cycle in a very simple and easy manner so that you can solve the numerical problems. Every year at least one problem come from in gate examination from vapor compression cycle, and at least 5 to 6 numerical objective problems in engineering service examination. Those problems are not at all difficult, they are easy problems, but your concept should be crystal clear. I'll be telling you this in a very easy manner. After that we will be discussing the performance parameter of vapor compression cycle. This is just the overview of the course, what all I'll be covering. But before proceeding further, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Harshit Agarwal, mechanical engineer, graduated from NIT Nagpur in 2008. I have cleared the engineering services examination as well. I have got the offer letter from most of the Maharatna and Navratna companies. I have cleared the gate examination as well. Regarding course fee, there is no course fee as such, but you can always contribute whatever you feel like. You can also follow me on the specified link. So what is the objective of this course? The objective of this course is to provide simple explanation of basic concept. There are some basic concepts in refrigeration like vapor compression cycle, numerical on vapor compression cycle, performance parameter of parameters of vapor compression cycle. We will be discussing all these in a very simple and easy language so that you will be able to solve the numerical problems. Your final goal, your final aim should be the numerical problems. Further, to improve the efficiency, there is a time constraint in gate examination as well as in engineering service examination. So you need to be really fast. You need to be focused on the numerical problems without wasting any time. Just attack the numerical problems and get the final answer that should be also correct. Now, who is the target audience of this course? The target audience of this course is obviously the aspirants preparing for engineering service examination. Those aspirants preparing for engineering service examination as well as for gate examination are the target audience. Furthermore, I would like to say that any aspirant who has taken mechanical engineering as optional in civil services examination, mechanical engineering as optional in civil service examination, he or she can also go through this course, because refrigeration again is a very important part of mechanical engineering. Now, regarding contribution, there is, as I have already told you, there is no fees as such, but you may pay a voluntary professional fees by clicking on the contribute button. So it will really motivate me to come up with better and more engaging courses as such. This course is designed in a very beautiful manner, in a very simple language, along with the numerical problems. If you feel that you should contribute, you should pay a voluntary professional fees, you should pay, so that I can come up with more engaging and more interesting courses in near future of all these subjects of mechanical engineering. This is all up to you. Now, this is the overview of the course. Just be focused on this particular slide, because I am telling you what all I'll be covering in this course. Firstly, go through all the 6 lessons. These 6 lessons are very, very important. Please go through all the 6 lessons. In the very first lesson, which is the introduction of the refrigeration, in this particular lesson, I'll be telling you what is the COP of refrigerator, what is the COP of pump, what is the difference between COP of refrigerator and COP of pump. After that, we will be discussing what is the refrigeration effect, from where this refrigeration effect term come from. After that, students are so much confused, what is the unit of refrigeration, what is ton of refrigeration. We will be understanding that in a very simple and easy language. So just go through lesson 1. After that, lesson 2, which is the vapor compression cycle. Vapor compression cycle is the backbone of refrigeration subject. I'll be telling you this vapor compression cycle in a very simple language. I have drawn the block diagram. I'll be explaining you in TS as well as in PS diagram. Then we will discuss what are the different components of vapor compression cycle, like there is compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. What is the function of these four components? After that, we will be discussing what is the COP of vapor compression cycle, how to calculate the COP of vapor compression cycle. Expansion device functions on throttling process. What is this throttling process? What remains constant in throttling process? So second lesson is very important for gate, engineering service examination, for civil service examination if mechanical is taken as optional. After going through the lesson 2, we will discuss lesson 3, which is the numericals on vapor compression cycle. But before going through the numericals, just concentrate on lesson number 2, because lesson number 2 and 3 are totally linked lessons. You will not be able to solve the numericals. आप लोग numerical नहीं कर पाओगे अगर आपने lesson number 2 अच्छे से नहीं किया. So these two lessons are totally linked. I'll be telling you the numericals, how to approach the numericals on vapor compression cycle, how to see the enthalpy, how to calculate the COP, how to calculate the refrigeration effect. After completion of lesson number 3, we will be directly hitting the performance parameter of vapor compression cycle. I have already told you that there are 4 components like compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. How the performance of vapor compression cycle changes if I'll increase or decrease the pressure of evaporator, if I'll decrease or increase the pressure of condenser. What is the effect of subcooling? What is the effect of superheating on the performance of vapor compression cycle? These are the theoretical objective question in engineering service examination. And after going through this lesson number 4, just go through the previous year paper of engineering service examination. You will find lot many questions on this performance of vapor compression cycle, but please go through this vapor compression cycle as well. After that comes the volumetric efficiency of reciprocating compressor. This is a very important topic because sometimes in numerical students get stuck up. Students को समझ में नहीं आता है कि numerical को approach कैसे करना है, क्योंकि कभी कभी reciprocating compressor की efficiency दिया होता है या रेसिप्रोकेटिंग कंप्रेसर का कुछ डाटा दिया होता है. सो यू नीड टू लुक इनटू दैट डाटा, व्हाई दैट डाटा इज गिवन एंड हाउ टू यूज दैट डाटा, राइट. सो वी विल बी सॉल्विंग द whole derivation of volumetric efficiency of reciprocating compressor, and after that I have solved the numerical problem as well. You just have to go through this lesson at least 3 to 4 times. Vapor compression cycle would be very easy for you. And last but not the least, there is the classification of refrigerant. You must have heard the name R11. What is this R11? What is this R12? What is the chemical formula of R11 and R12? There are objective questions on these as well. Then what are the saturated, unsaturated refrigerant? What are the organic refrigerant? So I have classified that into different categories, so you can go through this lesson and you can see the change. After going through this lesson, just see the change. Just attempt previous year engineering services examination papers. You can solve the numerical problems, and if you want any further, I'll be solving those numerical problems along with you in my upcoming lessons. This course is very beautiful. Stay in touch with this course, keep focusing, and if you have any further doubt, you can ask those doubt in the comment section as well. Thanks a lot from my side. This is Harshit Agarwal.